Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make egg gravy updated. Heat a skillet over medium, melt butter, and whisk in flour to cook the raw taste away. Slowly pour in milk while whisking to avoid lumps, then fold in beaten eggs off heat to prevent scrambling. Season with salt, pepper, and a pinch of smoked paprika for depth. Serve over biscuits, toast, or mashed potatoes for a cozy meal. Start by making a smooth blonde roux with melted butter and flour, stirring for 2 to 3 minutes until fragrant. Gradually add warm milk while whisking constantly to form a glossy base. Temper your beaten eggs with a ladle of hot gravy before adding them back to the pan to avoid curdling. Remove from heat as the sauce thickens slightly. It will continue to set as it cools for perfect, silky egg gravy. For variations, fold in cooked breakfast sausage, crumbled bacon, or chopped chives to change the flavor profile easily. Swap milk for half and half if you want a richer, creamier gravy, or thin with a bit of stock for a lighter option. Adjust seasoning with cayenne, hot sauce, or mustard powder to personalize heat and tang. Remember to taste as you go and keep the sauce warm but not boiling to preserve silkiness.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.